what is like the best iftar or suhur people can have in the month of Ramadan? Like the best way to kind of like save your energy, especially like after a long day of fasting.
Milk or water along with dates. We can do that. But when it comes to food, that's we do mistake. We get a soda, coke, we get a fry. The biggest mistake in the main meal people do is in America we do barbecue so much. So Texas, oh, people love barbecue.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I want to introduce you to Dr. Mojibul Haque. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam wa rahmatullah.
Alhamdulillah, he has been helping many people, healing nutritionally and coming back to health naturally, alhamdulillah. And as Ramadan is approaching very near, less than a week away, I know a lot of people have questions and concerns about like their diet in the month of Ramadan. A lot of people get sick, don't know what to eat for iftar and for dinner. So I just wanted to ask you a couple questions so it can be beneficial for me and also all of our audience that are watching.
Of course.
So, what is like the best iftar or suhur people can have in the month of Ramadan?
When it comes to iftar and suhur, we think that has to be very fried, very meat-based, very too much rice, too much bread. People think that they need to eat a lot of calorie to recover the amount of calorie they missed.
Yes.
On the other hand, body wants something different. Body have been in hunger and it is ready to digest the food and it wants to get hydrated first. And the nutrition easily absorbable. Whenever organs are dehydrated, it cannot secrete that much digestive juice. So it needs something quick digestion. For instance, fruits, for instance, oat and vegetable juice, or could be chia seed water, could be lemon honey water. So it gets hydrated and support the organ to secrete the digestive juice so that it can digest the main dish. Okay. So should start with a fruit juice or fruits, but it come to breaking iftar. Prophet said that breaking iftar should be milk or water along with dates, and we can do that. But when it comes to food, that's we do mistake. We get a soda, coke, we get a fry meat, we get a bread. That could be a little bit secondary, but main should be fruits, vegetable juice, apple cider vinegar, lemon water, honey water. Then you can have a break for Maghrib prayer.
Yes.
After prayer, you come back to a meal. The biggest mistake in the main meal people do is in America we do barbecue so much. So Texas, oh, people love barbecue. Every house, backyard, front have a one good barbecue machine. If you go to the Texas big shops, you see in the outside big barbecue machine because this is the state of barbecue.
Yeah.
And you know what? The Texas cancer rate is the number one.
Wow.
You see the correlation?
Yeah.
Subhanallah. So in Ramadan, people do that mistake a lot. They want to have a big amount of barbecue meat. Someone saying, Dr. Haque, why not? All oils are out. Oils is not a problem. Prophet ﷺ used to have a small amount of oil in his meal, as much as he can, most of his meals.
Yes.
But when it comes to oil is not a problem. The bad oil is a problem. When the oil is processed oil, that is a problem.
Yeah.
So if we have a meat, no problem, but limited. Prophet ﷺ said that meat should be limited.
Okay.
And today modern science is showing that when it comes to meat, per week, 8 ounce max someone can have. Imagine we having 8 ounce in every meal sometimes.
Yeah.
So that's the big mistake in Ramadan we do. So meat is there, you can have a fish, egg, no problem, rice, limited bread. But as a Bengali ethnic people, they do a lot of fry. Did you experience like a samosa, peyaju, shingara, aloo chop? That should be avoided, but a little bit is okay. So mainly rice, vegetable, fish, salads, and a lot of people have a diabetes. For those, you gotta be careful that they need to have a low carb. So like in that case, instead of rice and bread, they can have a quinoa, millet, buckwheat, and those could be the options for them.
Okay, so it's very helpful tips. Thank you so much, Jazakallah khairan. And I know like a lot of people get sick as well in Ramadan. So what is like the best way to kind of like save your energy, especially like after a long day of fasting? So we also have some energy to do ibadah and everything.
It's a big concern. People, when Ramadan is coming, they say, oh my God, I have to eat a lot, I have to pay a big budget. They concern about sickness, they concern about low energy, they concern about the indigestion problem. Actually, it should be the otherwise. Allah is saying that I prescribed for you the way I prescribed for the previous generation, so that you can attain taqwa.
Yes.
Subhanallah, we're doing other way. We couldn't pray in the Ramadan time. We get so tired. And masjid become too smelly for the food. No, it's come to stay away from the food. It's a, how much you control food, not how much more you can eat. Subhanallah, you know. And people couldn't even sleep because of they eat too much.
Yeah.
So, it should be other way. In Ramadan, imagine if you fast whole day, your insulin resistance get controlled. You can get out the diabetes. If you have blood pressure or heart disease or cholesterol high, you can cleanse your toxin from the body. You can lower the stress, so cholesterol, blood pressure gets normal. If you have a different pain and stuff, you can improve digestive tract. You can improve the pain. A lot of people have a liver disease. More you fast, research showing that more you fast, liver can burn the fats. So fasting should be cleansing the liver. No, people gain weight. Subhanallah. Because when they come to iftar, breaking iftar, dinner, they try to do qada. They try to refill the one, even more than the amount they missed.
Yeah.
So they should be actually healing, not getting sick.
Yes.
In that case, the great thing you can do is plan for the meal, not like plan for the feast. Do you know in Ramadan one thing, Maryam, you see or not? In Texas, I saw even the masjid, they have a program. We had that masjid, one of the community, they did Suhur party.
We have it too, Suhur fest.
Subhanallah. Suhur should not be a party. Suhur is at the time of Ibadah. Suhur should be very little. But something, you know, clear hadith. He said, do Suhur late and light. And if do break iftar fast right away. Last 1/3 is the time for Ibadah, not for party. So Subhanallah. So if you can avoid Suhur party, light Suhur. Oh, there is a reason behind it. People think that if they eat a lot of food, they can stay full for full day. They can do this thing. No, this doesn't work like that. How better you can digest your food from the suhoor time, that much better you can feel. For instance, suppose suhoor you can eat egg and oatmeal, some fruits, some yogurt. See, very quick, easy digest, right? Instead, if you eat meat and biryani and samosa and what people eat else like a pizza, burger, you cannot digest them. Too much oily, too much fried, too much wheat, too much sugar. No, get some probiotic, yogurt base. Get some fruits, good enzyme, good fiber, good vitamin. Get some oat, lot of fiber, lot of grain, good carbohydrate. You see,
Yes.
look at that part which you can digest better than other part. So body can digest the food, nutrify your body. Body go to any hunger mode, and body say, "Oh, I'm happy. There's no pain." It's healing mode, you know. So, but whenever you don't digest your food throughout the day, you feel bloated
Yeah.
because you don't drink enough water.
Yeah.
You feel bloated, you get sick, and you get not only sick. A lot of time people gain weight. A lot of time people even couldn't fast. Subhanallah, Allah said, "I prescribe for you to feel better, so you can improve yourself." And fasting, a lot of research coming up that fasting can change whole body physiology, so that you can improve any types of disease. I told you that the liver disease, you can say allergy. A lot of people have allergy. Why people have allergy? Because a weak gut layer, weak liver. You can improve gut layer, you can improve liver, because our gastrointestinal tract regenerate in 3 to 5 days. In 3 to 5 days fasting, you can go back to healthy gut, so you can improve your allergy. A lot of people couldn't sleep. This is a good time. What I see that, okay, why you get sick? That you mentioned that because you couldn't sleep, you couldn't digest. But if you, what I said that if you get iftar light and juicy, and go your maghrib, come back healthy dinner, no more food, go tarawih, drink lot of water, you'll have a beautiful sleep. Beautiful sleep, you can have a beautiful wake up 3 o'clock, for your tahajjud. And if you good tahajjud time, good suhur, subhanallah, you have a wonderful Ramadan, and you can get rid of lot of medications. You can come back to your health, as you said earlier.
Naturally.
Yep.
So Dr. Haque, this was very beneficial, alhamdulillah, for all of us and very interesting. So if the audience wants to learn more about this topic, so how can they reach out or get more information?
Of course, I have almost 2 million followers, and they have been watching my videos and getting benefited. And you see a lot of diabetic patients just following my video, getting improved, getting rid of their medications, coming back to their health. You see blood pressure, cholesterol, a lot of liver disease, allergy, all the metabolic disease. You can improve your health just changing lifestyle. Just come back to right diet, and some basic changes in their lifestyle. And I explain step by step on different disease, different health condition, how you can improve your health naturally. Anyone can follow that and get benefited. It's free.
Okay, inshallah.
And one more thing is, I wrote 2 books, and I published 2 books, and 3 other books are almost done. So I wrote How Food Could Be a Medicine, and my second book I published that what could be integrative approach to improve your health naturally. And my other books is coming. Third book is going to be published anytime soon. How you can make your home as a natural medicine pharmacy. And my fourth book is almost done. Is every disease have a root cause, not only bandaging the medication. Of course, you need medication. I'm not against medication. I did my 15 years of my research in medication, my postdoc and medicine, and then PhD. So you need medicine, but how you can navigate down the root of the disease so that you can come back to health. So that's my fourth book. Hopefully 2 books already published, other books are coming out. Only my books and my videos. If you can watch my videos in the link, I'll put my links, and hopefully you can watch and get benefited.
Inshallah. Jazakallah khairan.
Thank you. Assalam.
Many different disease states that cannot be treated by traditional medicine, we're getting tremendous results here in the United States. We also have great success in neurological diseases. We are happy to offer this cutting-edge technology of promoting wellness through stem cell therapy and exosomes, with trillions of exosomes and millions of stem cells. Stem cells is also very powerful healing for autoimmune diseases like lupus, ALS, MS, IBD, ulcerative colitis, Crohn's disease, diabetes, heart disease such as heart failure, chronic kidney disease, liver cirrhosis, anti-aging, any type of injury that needs regeneration, Parkinson's, more specifically, autism, which we get amazing success in all my clinics in the United States with a regulated FDA laboratory and FDA oversight to ensure sterility, pathology, viability for a perfectly safe and effective product. Stem cells is a great thing to regenerate new cells and fixing defective cells.
Did you see any major side effect on your procedure?
No, we never had an adverse reaction. Maybe once or twice a local reaction, a little bit of redness. 99.999% of the patients have no reaction. The product is immunoprivileged, which means it's accepted as your own cells. There's no HLA matching, no host versus graft issues. It's a perfect product. Patient responds, patient walks out, patient goes to work the next day, resumes normal activities.
You feel you can play better than before?
Yeah. He's playing soccer right now.
You're taller, right? People recognize you?
Yeah.
Oh, he's happy because he's seeing him that he's improving.
Already today the third one done. He had improvement from the stem cell therapy.
I used to be in such a bad state. I think it was like 1,000 times worse back then.
I had to go to toilet 4-5 times a day. Nowadays I'm good, alhamdulillah.
Now I'm feeling much better. I can talk clearly now.
In the last 3 months, I'm 95% better.
At this age, I never thought I would get this better. This is my 4th bite, and I'm doing really well now.
I know we still have to be following up and everything, but for right now, my numbers are normal now.
My creatine is only 66. That was much, much higher before. 66 actually is in normal range.
Before I couldn't walk, but now I can walk reasonably well.
In every way, I'm improving. I haven't taken any medicine.
I always thought that maybe I wouldn't survive, but now I'm healthy. Now I can work.
I believe it's working. May Allah bless the work